These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we're going to take a couple of trades in QTEX Broker, and you probably noticed that the audio is a bit different. It's because I'm on my laptop, that's why the microphone is different. I'm going to take a buy right here. Let's go. I'm with the buyers here. As you can see, this is a doji, and this is a doji support area, which is lining up with a round number. As you know, round numbers work pretty well, and at least in this broker compared to the previous one. But based on the previous videos comments, I noticed that there's a lot of fans for trading in this broker. That's why I decided to for now trade on both of them. It means that this session, after this session, probably we'll have a session on pocket option. I don't know, but I will try to keep it up on both of them. Okay, so this is my first trade. I'm gonna take a screenshot for the journal because I'm journaling my every single trade. Okay, this is a 150. The setup is a doji break and a round number. Okay, round number, add it up, and I add the screenshot just like that so I can check it later. And it was a winning trade. Let's go add the trade. Yes, and it was a solid win. This is another opportunity. This could be another opportunity as a doji break, which unfortunately I couldn't manage to take it.
You can put your email in the first link in the description so you get updates about when the journal is launched and early access to it in case you want.
Okay, we do have a common point of rejection here, but I'm planning to take it on the next candle if it gives me the chance, okay? Okay, nice. We got this gap up. Let's go. We go 2 trades on this one. This is a beautiful common point of rejection, man. I can't believe this little broker also working in our setups. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot for the journal as it's going on. Copy that. Go to the journal. I added. Okay, I'm gonna add this as common point of rejection. Boom. Win. I don't know if it's going to be win, so let's see. Yes, of course it's going to be a winning trade. I'm gonna add them separately, okay? Add one. Same common point of rejection. We can add the confirmation and stuff later. And there we go. We got the 3 trades of this session. The money management, the way it works in this journal, it suggests you to stop after 3 consecutive winning trades. It's better for you to stop. You can also review your trades and see and maybe change the setup. For example, in this one, I want to add the confirmation, like a gap up, which was in our favor in the sell trade. Let's go. I'm gonna still review this, add my confirmations, and create a beautiful journal for yourself. Once done, we celebrate and end, and then you say, do you follow your rules today? Yes. Did you learn anything new? It's not new, but I need to remind myself that I have to enter my trades when there is more than 30 seconds remaining of the candle. Okay, did you make any mistakes? Not really. Add session to the journal. Okay, it's added. Okay, once added, like for example on previous session, it's visible here. If I can go to the previous session and check my trades. This is how a journal should look like. You should be able to navigate the previous days. For example, if you go to the calendar section, you would be able to go back and see, for example, the previous session that I used this journal is on 27 February. So if I go there, February, yeah, 27, you can select it from here and see what session have you have that day. Once this journal launched, I will add all of my trades in this journal. That's why it will be visible. All my sessions will be visible. All right. It also doesn't let you have another session, and it forces you to stop overtrading and having more than one session at least for 12 hours. Okay, these are the things that I've added, and the analytics and insights also are AI-based analytics, which shows you which setups you usually took and the winning ratio of the setup and confirmation mixture. Certain setup, see, like in long term, you can figure out that, for example, third touch breakout, if it lines up with gap up, has a better results based on the history of your trades. Okay, and also insights, which is not unlocked on this account of mine. And yeah, it's not live yet, but it will be live, and it has free version too. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this trading session. I hope you enjoyed. You can try this broker if you want to, put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and peace out.